Okay, the frames go back. Doing good. You're doing good. That's the last frame. This hive was a split. Today is Sunday again, July the 8th, 2012, and both Vishnu and myself, we concluded that this is too many frames filled up, so we're gonna put another brood on top. Baby? Okay, he's doing it. Wonderful, you did good. Push it, align it, make sure corner to corner, every 4 corners. That's good job. I think you did it. Now the frames on top, adjust it. Yo, all the frames, adjust. Make sure they are properly. No, not yet. Make sure they are not too wide apart. See, so yeah. So go ahead. Yeah. Okay. Now put the cover. Hey, Vishnu has been inspecting without veil. Bees landed on him. Corner to corner, he's got it. He's gonna put the bottle on top of the cover feeder. There we go. It's done. He's gonna put a cinder block, and that concludes his beehive inspection. And put it on top. There we go, sweetie. You got it. All right, young man. You did good job. Now put the smoker back on the cinder block, and we conclude this.